Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Ready for you to move right in. Hurry will not last. Built in 2002, popular floor plan with 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage. This home features double-door columned entryway leading into high vaulted ceilings with a much sought-after large open great room style. Master suite with newer carpet, walk-in closets, double vanity sinks, glass door shower and garden tub. Light wood laminate floors in living, dining and breakfast nook area. Stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, inside laundry room, screened lanai and large backyard with wood privacy fence make this a must-see. Close to shopping and quick commute to Tampa via Suncoast Parkway, plus also just 15-minute drive to the Gulf of Mexico and day trip to Orlando parks.